money, hold up, gotta, cutter, lotta, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, wanna, come on, hey, I'm a stunner.
Hey guys, it's your girl Asteria Armani and welcome back to my channel. So today's video we'll be applying this wig from Asteria hair. Before we get started, I wanted to unbox the hair so you guys can see what I got in the package. So this is the box that it came in. Really cute metallic silver box with the gold writing. It's kind of remind me of like a shoebox a little bit. Here is the wig. I'm gonna save that for later. But here's all the other goodies that you receive in your package. We got some lashes, edge brush. I love when they include the edge brush in the package. We also got the stocking cap. And if you know, you know, these are like the thinnest, best stocking caps, hands down. So an edge brush. Always need that to lay and melt the hair. And then of course a bag so we can put the wig in once we're done. So this is how the wig comes packaged. It's in a plastic bag and then it has what you receive on the bag. This wig is pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so we're literally just going to go ahead and apply it straight out the box. Before we apply the wig, step one is definitely do a ball cap. Just put the cap on and put the wig on, but I actually like securing the ball cap. That's just something that I like to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the ball cap method, and then after that I'll be right back.
Summer, Benny, Hana, Cooker, hey, Michael, hey, surfer, wave, pop it, sipping acorn, rich, nigga on A1, baby, drinking that acorn, baby, butter, pecan, bringing that on the refund, bringing that back till I see the sun, I fuck the bitch on the jet, keep away, get on her neck, she only coming for 6, speeding that bitch, I still got my foot on that neck, finna put on the wrist, we used to drop it at X, from the strong, gotta keep you a gun, I'm not a bring about that strong, fucking whole bottle, we get remind, she want me sticking it deep in her gut, let me know if you with it or what. Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon' tell her to rush. Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm fuck with these niggas a dog. Money, hold up, gotta, cutter, lotta, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach.
Okay y'all, so we finished the ball cap. As you can see, we looking real bald or whatever. Now it's time to apply the wig. So before we apply the wig, I wanted to show you guys the inside. So it came with 3 combs, elastic strap, so you can wear it glueless. And look at the lace space. Like, this is the lace space that I like, that I love, okay? Come on, hair companies, take notes. This is the lace space that we want. This is the lace space that we need, baby. Straight out the box, like Asteria. Yes. Don't play with them. Okay, y'all. So this is what the wig is giving straight out the box. Just put it on. I have to do nothing. Like, literally, y'all seen. I just applied it straight out the box. I didn't bleach it. I didn't pluck it. Nothing. It's freaking perfect. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and apply it. I'm gonna be using my boho active glue today.
Water, your bitch, wanna, come on, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hana, Cooker, hey, Michael, hey, surfer, wave, surf, Papa, hurt, Papa, Smurf, lot of dirt, I can call up dirt, Crow Heart, shirts, millions off merch, sipping, dripping, tipping, tripping, women, hey, linen, hey, dealing, killing, spinning, willing, grilling, hey, peeling, pay, money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, lotta, orders, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, wanna, come on, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hana, Cooker, hey, Michael, hey, surfer, wave. Gotta cut a lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, on wanna, come on, Hunter, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, pop it, sippin' acorn, rich nigga on A1, baby, back in that acorn, baby, butter pecan, bringing out on a refund, bringing that back till I see the sun, fuck the bitch on the jet, keep me get on her neck, she only call me for 6, speed in the bitch, I stick up my foot on their neck, finna put on the wrist, I used to drop it at X, from the strong gotta keep you a gun, not a regular but that's strong, fucking hoe by the week every month, she want me sticking it deep in her gut, let me know if you with it or what. Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon' tell her to rush. Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm fuck with these niggas a dub. Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, lot of order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, on wanna, come on, Hunter, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, surf, papa, hurt, papa, smurf, a lot of dirt, I can call up dirt, crow heart, shirts, millions off merch, sipping, dripping, tipping.
Okay guys, so the wig is on and it is laid. Okay, I still cannot believe that this is straight out the box. This is my first time. I literally just applied the wig straight out the box and I'm not disappointed at all. We couldn't really leave it like this with no baby hairs because it's still giving, the lace is melted, or we can add baby hairs, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Go ahead and get into the baby hairs.
Tripping, women, hey, linen, hey, dealing, killing, spinning, willing, grilling, hey, feeling, hey, money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, gonna, wanna, come on, Hunter, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave. Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, on wanna, come on, Hunter, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, pop it, sippin' acorn, rich nigga on A1, baby, back in that acorn, baby, butter pecan, bringing out on a refund, bringing that back till I see the sun, I fuck the bitch on the jet, keep me get on her neck, she only call me for 6, speed in the bitch, I stick up my foot on their neck, finna put on the wrist, I used to drop it at X, from the strong gotta keep you a gun, not a regular but that's strong, fucking hoe by the week every month, she want me sticking it deep in her gut, let me know if you with it or what. Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon' tell her to rush. Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm fuck with these niggas a dub. Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, on wanna, come on, Hunter, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter, cooker, hey.
Okay guys, so I wet the hair down and here are the final results. I am so in love with this wig, y'all. Like 10 out of 10, baby. Like really, from the fact that I literally just took it out the box and applied it. So that means if you're a beginner, this will be the perfect wig for you. As always, I'm going to be leaving all the links to this wig down below. Don't hesitate on grabbing this wig because it's really giving. Like, look, I'm pretty sure you guys can tell. Y'all can see for yourself. It's giving. So, like always, thank you all for watching my video. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.